In nature, there are various types of predators, each with unique methods for capturing their prey. Some of these predators hunt alone, while others work together in coordinated groups. But the big question is, which one is the strongest? What you'll see in this video is beyond your imagination. The 5 most powerful predators in nature. Number 5, lion. Lions, the second largest big cats in the world, are highly social animals that live in groups called prides. Each pride consists of females, cubs, and a few males. While the females are responsible for hunting, the males protect the territory and the pride. Lions are unmatched predators in Africa's savannas due to their strength and strong social bonds. They can hunt prey much larger than themselves, like buffalo, through teamwork. Additionally, lions play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem by controlling herbivore populations, helping balance their habitat. Number 4, wolf. Wolves, resilient and social predators, are known for their endurance and teamwork within packs. A typical pack includes 6 to 10 members that cooperate to hunt prey larger than themselves, such as deer or bison. Wolves can travel long distances, sometimes up to 20 kilometers in a single day, to locate their prey. Their communication methods, including howls, body language, and facial expressions, strengthen coordination and pack bonds. Wolves also play a key role in balancing ecosystems by regulating prey populations. Number 3, African wild dog. African wild dogs, also known as painted dogs, are among the most social and organized predators in nature. These animals live in packs that sometimes exceed 40 members, hunting with remarkable coordination and intelligent strategies. They are highly dependent on each other, taking care of sick or injured pack members rather than abandoning them. African wild dogs are fast and cooperative hunters, often targeting prey larger than themselves. However, habitat loss and diseases like rabies have significantly threatened their population. Number 2, cheetah. The cheetah, the fastest land mammal, can reach speeds of up to 112 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed is designed for chasing swift prey like gazelles, but can only be sustained for a few seconds. The cheetah's body is built for speed, with a flexible spine, long legs, and a strong tail that acts as a rudder for balance. Despite their speed, cheetahs rely heavily on stealth and strategy during hunts, as they lack the physical strength to compete with larger predators like lions or hyenas. Number 1, tiger. The tiger, the largest big cat in the world, is one of nature's most powerful predators. Known for their stealth and patience, tigers can stalk prey for up to 30 minutes before launching a deadly attack. Tigers are solitary hunters, using their powerful jaws and large canine teeth to suffocate their prey. They are also excellent swimmers, often hunting in shallow waters. Tigers inhabit dense forests and grasslands, but habitat destruction and poaching have made them an endangered species. Despite these challenges, tigers remain a symbol of power and resilience in the wild. Thank you for watching the video until the end.